Hi, I welcome you all to the Crypto Singh show, and my name is Gunpreet Singh, and we talk about Bitcoin, NFT, Metaverse, everything on this show every day. So, what's new? Bitcoin markets are pumping, markets are up. Ethereum is pumping, all the cryptos are pumping. So the market seems to be in green. Well, I've been predicting this since probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks that we will see a lot of greens coming in. And even when the CPI data was out, dollar index was going high. I was pretty sure that we're still gonna go to a higher level, whereas CPI data and dollar were completely against. The higher the dollar, the lesser the chance for a Bitcoin to rise. But eventually, that's what the charts were telling us, and we work on probability. And the probability was that the charts were telling us that we are going high. Now that we've broken 21,800, and Ethereum is just flying, it's skyrocketing. I already made a video on Ethereum, and I made actually several videos on Ethereum, why I'm so bullish on Ethereum in a long term thing. Right now, in a midterm, I do see that Bitcoin, Ethereum going to a certain price, Ethereum till 1700 and reversing from there. Bitcoin, I think 25,000 or 28,000 would be the point where I think I would take some profits off the table. And this is what I've been saying in all my videos, not today, since a month actually. And where everyone was bearish, I have been extremely bullish. Now, this is what the Bitcoin update is for today. But there's something more I want to talk about today. Is one coin that's really impressed me in a bear market. Now, which coin would that be? I'll tell you. But before I tell you, I reveal this coin, please do like, share, and subscribe. So, this particular coin has been holding a decent value in pricing and has been actually going up and has been outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum and a lot of these altcoins. Well, it's a coin that is actually has helped Ethereum to scale, in the scalability a bit, and it's actually by an Indian itself, and the name of the coin is Matic. Now, what's so unique about Matic, and why is it that I'm so bullish on Matic? Well, in bear market, I mean, they are not afraid to really innovate, and that's the good thing about Polygon or Matic. Now, Polygon is basically it's by these Indian guys, Sandeep, Jayanti, and Anurag. So these three are behind Polygon, or the brains behind the Polygon, and they are very smart people in general. Now, why I'm extremely bullish is because I mean, just to let you know that Matic has had partnerships with Disney and with Meta, which is Facebook, with Reddit, with Stripe, with DraftKings. Now, the biggest partnership of this is actually Disney. I mean, try and understand. Disney is gonna get into is getting into NFTs. Now, if they get into NFTs, what they've chosen actually is Matic, Polygon. So I think this will be huge in future. I mean, since then we've already seen a pump of 30%, 35%, but I personally believe that it's still nothing for Matic. I think Matic has a long way to go. So you get a dip by Matic because Matic is doing, is doing superbly well. Plus, it's got the brains behind it. The founders are superb. So I think Matic is something you really need to look into it. And so what they do is basically, now there's also, they've partnered with Dave's. I mean, so they're basically build Web3 experiences on Polygon. Now their main focus is actually metaverse, and as everyone knows who's been seeing my videos, I've been extremely bullish on metaverse, because what is a billion economy today will be a trillion economy tomorrow, and it's not far. So again, I mean, you have Meta, which is Facebook, launching on Polygon. So just try to imagine Reddit, you have Disney, Meta. So all of these things are coming on Polygon, which is Matic. Now, the thing is that Reddit has launched, or has already launched, a new collectible, market built on Polygon. So you can buy digital art on Reddit and use it, and use Polygon as your platform. So they already started using it. And Stripe is where they've done another partnership. Now, what is Stripe? Stripe is one of the biggest online processing platforms. Now, right now, they host 3.1 million active websites. So just try to understand that how this is going to be. Now, Stripe announced it will use Matic as the facilitator in allowing crypto payments on its platform. So again, this is huge. Now, now the another partnership is the DraftKings, and these are just few of the partnerships I'm talking about. I've not spoken about, they have several partnerships going on. I mean, just understand that they've been working intensively with Ethereum. So they have so much more going on. These are just a few things I'm trying to point out, which highlights that they will be doing very well in this bear market. So yeah, I personally think Matic in the bear market is going to be a good coin to buy. And right now the hype is there, and plus the usability is there. It's not one of those projects just the hype. It's people are using it. They've created those faster transactions, and the transactions are taking place. So this is Matic. And Matic, the fifth partnership that Matic did is with DraftKings, which is utilizing Polygon as its NFT marketplace, secondary market. So Polygon has been a huge player, and it's probably a good way to it's going to be a good coin to hold for future. And whenever you get a dip, buy Polygon. And Matic has been a good coin, and I personally believe that this bear market, I mean, next bull market, Matic will outperform a lot of coins. So something I'm really bullish on is Matic, just for the reasons, the way they are innovating in a bear market. So if you're actually doing it in a bear market, you're getting contracts and you're doing so well in the bear market, try and understand, then these coins, the fundamentals of these coins get really strong, and then they're all set for the bull market to explode. The point is that we need to buy before they explode, and right now the price of Matic is not really high. So the current price, let me check for you the current price actually, because the markets have gone so high in a day or two only itself. But checking Matic, let me just, so the Matic right now is valued at almost $1, 0.909. Now the thing is that I think 7 days of its appreciation has it's like an all-time high in 7 days. So I mean, it was around 0.5 on 13. So within a span of 5 days, we've almost seen a 50% growth in Matic, and Matic is just going bizarre. So I personally think even now Matic is a good coin. And don't look at the price right now, look at the fundamentals, do DCA into Matic. So I personally believe that Matic is going to be really good, but wait for some time, because past 4-5 days it just skyrocketed. So I mean, it's reached $1, and which is huge and massive. So 0.909, I think it's really good. 5 days back trading at around 0.5, 5 days before that 0.3, 0.4. So it's like an kind of a growth that they're seeing is because of this Disney partnership that they've done. So it might just outperform everything in the bear market. So keep an eye on it. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. And this is one coin that I think I personally believe that it's going to outperform a lot of coins. So do look into it, and again, do your own research and what's happening with the Bitcoin market. And I'll post a video when we see something major happening. And I've been long since past 2 weeks, and I've been saying that I was long on this market. You can actually go on my Twitter account and check all the tweets that I've been doing, and I've been tweeting very oftenly about all the prices, and I try to give update as soon as possible I can on the Twitter account. So once you join that, you'll actually get all the updates that's been happening, and with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, everything. So what do I see of the market next? I still see some bullish movement, and I don't see a bearish movement for now. Once I see something in the charts, I'll let you know, but I'll keep updating you guys about the Bitcoin market. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for the watching show. Please do like, share and subscribe. Signing off, Gunpreet Singh from the Crypto Singh Show. Take care, guys.